namhlanje ngazila ngihambe ngedwa ngihamba no my brother here Thokozisi Nkosi. Yeah, so 2026 we are expecting the best out of it. And I'm sure even abalaleli bethu ndimazulu they are expecting the best out of 2026. So le rena re I be ngwa ho mobotse ngwa ho tla dishantshele ngore tla dithabela ka moka as ma Africa, as South Africans also in particular. But before we go any further, mazulu ke tla my quote here. It is not about winning, but how well you played. So this was a quote from nice. From one runner runner Tunji. Or this guy na papala go Olympics Jago Tokyo 1964. How far back it is.
Yeah, that's a long time ago.
So this guy he got an injury during the race.
Yeah.
So he fell and got injured and they were sprinting. So an hour after everybody was done and even the winner Bamufile award, this guy came in limping and others were took up most team because it's all over. And I feature and never why Ufosilo featured the finishing line. I know I have a daughter. So one day daddy, did you finish the race or did you quit? So it's how well you play the game. So in life, and I don't know they just qualified. Some got their good results. Some maybe didn't get what they expected. But it's how well you played. Our copies again.
Well.
Yes, you played well. Our grass script from a different corner from someone, but you played well. So the result that you got, that's what you deserve. If maybe you put all in it, and then you feel like no, I'm a winner through this, and then you should feel like that. Maybe when I did level 7, but you didn't get them. But what you got, as long as you played well, and it was a fair game, you should be proud of yourself. Yes. So that's the message for the day. Welcome to Kasi FM. Really authors for honoring our invitation. So your book is very special. Take a risk.
Take a risk.
And I also like the subtitle. How to break out of your comfort zone and thrive in the workplace.
In the workplace, not just anywhere.
Yes. Sanibonani balaleli. Igama uMthokozisi waNkosi Sibongo, the author of Take a Risk, How to Break Out of Your Comfort Zone and Thrive in the Workplace.
Wow, beautiful. Mthokozisi, maybe just take us through the journey. Take a risk. Is it not risky?
Kona ku risky and mangakhumbula masita mangifika la ngangiphethe incwadi yami ethi Step Out of Your Comfort Zone and Start Living Your Dream. Yes. So le incwadi isuke because of that book, because mawusebenza eBidvest HR director yangibiza because they couldn't find umuntu ozongireplace among resigner. Bathi ngizotraina lo muntu loyo ozo replace mina base ba offera ukuthenga ama copy wencwadi yami Step Out of Your Comfort Zone and Start Living Your Dream. But kune question angibuza yona athi okay Mtho, if siyayithenga le ncwadi angeke isenzele inkinga
na should they buy all the copies that you have printed?
No, they bought just 10
number. Okay.
Because they wanted to do a competition with Bidvest magazine. So that question of is athi kimi, won't all our employees resign njengawe masithenga le ncwadi sibanika yona? So ngam-explainela ngathi even in the book ngiyasho ukuthi akusho ukuthi kumele uresign njengami ukuze uthole umsebenzi othandayo one passion now. Unfortunately mina what I wanted to do be outside of into yenziwa eBidvest, so I had to ukuthi ngiresign. So kungenzeka umunye umuntu ukuthi uthole umsebenzi awuthandayo but ufila ngathi ustakile la khona, impilo ayiqhubeki ayindawo, like maybe someone has been a receptionist for almost 20 years and then the next thing they reach the age of 16 mele ba retire and they have nothing to show for it because they spent all that time bangasdevelopi, bangafundi, bangaqhaqha umqondo wabo njengomuntu osebenzayo. So this book had to Take a Risk, How to Break Out of Your Comfort Zone and Thrive in the Workplace, ngibhalele ukugqugquzela umuntu othole umsebenzi awuthandayo but ofila ngathi ustakile manje akazi ukuthi enzeni, and mawungayibheka phakathi vele it's a practical book. It's not just my story, this one. I'm just pushing people to act.
So, but you said take a risk. So, take a risk means, let's say, I'm a teacher by profession.
Yes.
Then I like teaching. So, what risk must I take within that profession? Maybe or give fulfilled, something like that.
Like for instance, you say maybe utishela. Okay, kunabothisha abafundise until baze ba retire, bangarichanga ama leadership positions. So ukuthatha risk ukwenzani? For instance, when you start learning into entsha empilweni yakho, it's risky because you might fail. Abantu bakuhleke bathi bekenzani, banye abantu bakubhekele phansi, ugcina mhlambe nawe uzizwa ngathi you are less of a person, awusu umuntu ophelele. And in terms of ama company like abo Bidvest, so a risk would be in a way ukuthi angithi company banalento yokuthi mawufuna ukufunda kunemali abakunikeza yona ukuthi uyofunda, and then mawufela kumele ubhadare back leyo mali.
Okay.
I-risk ingenye indlela, sometimes uriska ukuzondwa umphathi wakho, umuntu okuleadayo, because angeke bakuthande bonke emsebenzini. Yabona, so it's that risk. And sometimes the risk may mean ukuthi umuvele if uthishela yabona ukuthi usase ku same industry, you can move to another school la ekunama opportunity khona ukuthi ukhule. You're not shifting i-industry, awenzi njengami mina ngashifta ngashi industry ye freight forwarding, ngaya kule industry yami leyo kuba yi-author and nokuba umuntu othanda ukugqugquzela abantu.
This is encouraging.
Chapter 1, how to know when it's time to take a risk in your career.
Yes.
Sazi kanjani ukuthi sengifike lapho la ukuthi manje because abanye abantu bakhona abantu kuhlale batshelwa njalo ukuthi usebenza kahle kwenze njani, omunye abe nalento nje ukuthi omunye uzozazi diagnose ukuthi depressed, ujabulele ukuya emsebenzini kanti mhlawumbe it's time to take a risk. Ushare khona ama sign oshare la sibona kanjani
la kunezinto engizisharayo la, I think ezu5 if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, because into ebalekile lana kunomuntu wathi equality yempilo yakho, the quality of your questions, equality yombuzo wakho obuzayo determines equality yempilo ozoyiphila. So kule chapter there's 2 questions engiwabuzayo la are very important. Eyokuqala ithi, have I made my mark here?
In this
workplace la ngisebenza khona. And thina abantu asizibuzi lento leyo, yabona silandela nje ama instructions, and before you know it sekuyi routine, it becomes a habit, seyinto oyijwayele, and ushintsho luba uncomfortable kuwe, yabona. Another question ongazibuza wena futhi ukuthi, is my contribution going unrecognized? Ngizokwenzela example ngami ke ukuthi, and that is basically the main reason eyangenza ukuthi ngicine sengiresign la bengisebenza khona, because bengithanda mina i-marketing, digital marketing and web development and stuff. So there was a position eyaphuma yomuntu ozoba i-website administrator, and bekuyinto ebesengiyenza vele leyo. I was developing website for abantu, and then I knew ukuthi website isebenza kanjani ne back end yakhona injani. But because someone came or apply and they had better connections, or ubabakhe beka kuma management nga apply, they didn't call me for an interview.
So in short, waba ne grudge.
Rightfully so.
Rightfully so.
Because that's into njani ukuthi lo muntu lo bathi mabamchasha. That's the funny thing, because one mase kumele enze umsebenzi wahluleka, and then someone referred him to me ukuthi hamba ubuza umthokozisi ukuthi lento yenziwa kanjani.
Now you are training your manager.
Yabona, manje sekumele mina futhi ngitrain the same person. Yabona, so kumele ubheke ukuthi wena la usebenza khona i-contribution yakho na bayayi-recognize na, or abayi-recognize, they are just giving ama opportunity kwabanye abantu, and wena kumele usebenze lento oyisebenzayo and not move forward. So that's how I ended up ngithi I know la there's no opportunity ukuthi ngikhule, so ukuze ngikhule kumele ngiphume. Sometimes makumele yes, sometimes kwezinye izinto ukuze uphule kumele uphume, ungabambeleli entweni uyibona ukuthi ayisakusebenzeli.
Wow. So the time you moved from your previous job, then now you learn another job. So how limo compare from where you were before limo you feel happy as a person after the shift or after the risk? Let's call it a risk.
Yes. After I left my job, I didn't work for any company again for about almost 8 years or 7 years. But when I resigned, before I resigned, that's why, but sometimes in life, uthole umuntu ozobona into kuwe wena ongayiboni kuwe.
Yeah.
That's when I met imentor yami. I was attending speech contest ku Toastmasters. Ngafika ngawina ngaphuma number 1 competing against abelungu. So imentor yami uvele indaba wangibona, wanginika business card yakhe, wathi ngize officeini lakhe. That's who umuntu ongenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuzibona ukuthi mina life yami iyapi, because wathi kimi Mtho une potential eningi engiyibonayo kuwe. Yabona wathi yekela ukuzibuza i-question yokuthi yekela ukusitshela ukuthi wena awukhona uku-afford izinto, awukhona uku-afford impilo ofuna ukuyiphila. Isibuze ukuthi how can I afford the life that I want? Khona kanjani nginga-afford kanjani impilo engifuna ukuyiphila? And then once usibuza lowo mbuzo loyo, write down 10 ideas ongasebenza kuwo azokwazi ukukufikisa la kumele ufike khona ukuze uafford le mpilo oyifunayo. And then mina I had a dream vele ukuthi ngisebenze nementor yami, but I didn't tell him. Instead of asking him to give me a job, I volunteered to help him. You see,
Closer, yeah.
with his marketing, and then he would also advise me in life and business and writing books and stuff, because he had already written a book. So I saw iphupho lami kuye before ngizolifeza.
So then
it's
you
possible.
identified your mentor, you identified
Yes.
your path. This is my journey, this is my trip. Oh,
Yes,
wow,
that's what I did.
so but then another thing I know we're trying to get risky and develop more long hona.
Yes.
But the issue of passion, we want to for any person.
It's very important, because one of the questions again, the same chapter the school engibuzayo ukuthi do I love what I do? Into mele uzibuze lento engenzayo ngiyayithanda na? Because nami I had to ukuthi ngizibuze lowo mbuzo loyo. And then I found out ukuthi no, I'm actually suffocating, la ngiyahameka. I'm not happy, and people are coming in bayenza ukuthi mina ngibatrain, and then the next thing umuntu uba yi supervisor yami or i manager yami
Fundiswa uwe beqeda phathe wena.
beqeda inaphathe mina. So then I realized ukuthi no, that's why I wanted to change my departments, ngiye kule department ye marketing, because ngumuntu creative mina kakhulu. So ngasiqala ukuzibuza lento leyo, ngani mangizama ukuya la emsebenzini engiwuthandayo bangivalela amathuba. So I had to realize ukuthi no, mina ngumuntu creative, I don't belong here, because even nakhona company ngibasho bathi Mtho wena awubelongi la, you shouldn't be here. Yabona, because sometimes bebanokungisebenzisa ngitrain ama learners, bebana learnership programs. I would do ama induction and give them ama presentation skills, ngibatrain the whole day, and then I would also volunteer kumanye ama department lawo engiwathandayo. But then when I recognized ukuthi ithuba lokuthi ngikhule la alikho, that's when I knew ukuthi kumele ngiphume. So it's important ukuthi wenze into o passionate ngayo. That's why ngithanda ukuthi do what you love and love what you do, and you will never work a day in your life. Yabona, uma wenza into oyithandayo ngeke ufile ngathi into oyenza umsebenzi. And ungayenza even mahala njengoba ngenzile for imentor yami mangizoqala ukusebenza naye.
Alright, asindela kune VN.
Sakubona ukuthi Mateo, ngakadla ngiphindelela njengelo shedding. Mazulu ayiyomthokozisa ayivuthiwe lengcwaye. Ivuthiwe siyabonga kakhulu. Into engifisa ukuyazi ukuthi le ncwadi itholakala phi? Iyatholakala digital. Because manje vele most of the time we don't walk around ema-shop.
Hardcover.
Go digital. Iyatholakala digital. Itholakala kanjani digital? Siyabonga kakhulu Mazulu. Ivuthiwe ingcwadi, ayivuthiwe the way iphendula ngakhona ama-question. Siyabonga kakhulu,
Ngingamphendula.
Abakezwa nama-chapter we-Swiss wemgobhozi. Lalela uthi la how to know when it's time to take a risk in your career. siyafika lesi sikhathi uyakubhalela-ke ukuthi uzobona ngokuthi noma uzozwa ngo-1 uthi ezi-5 uzibhalile. Uthi how to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally, ngokomqondo, ngokwemizwa, uzilungiselela kanjani ukuthi ngiyayithatha-ke manje le risk do or die. Bese ku-chapter 3 uthi taking a calculated risk in your career. Chapter 4, don't let fear win. Bese uthi how to be fearless. Mtatimali bana ukuri akakushiya ulenga. Uthi don't let fear win. And then the next chapter kutshela uthi how to be fearless. Angene kule ndaba ye-comfort zone and why taking a risk is essential. So there's 8 chapters, proven ways to advance your career now. Ngifuna ukuya lapha ku-chapter 3 Mtatimali bana. How recalculated risk into ngoba phela yabona omunye umuntu mayezo kuthiwa phuma comfort zone, thatha i-risk ovukusasa
ajambe out of without thinking.
Khathele vele kuningi.
Khathele,
Abantu balele ngiyakhuluma nje.
Uthokozile ukhulumile ngiyaphuma la.
Ngiyaphuma. Bathe kuze ukhule kumele uphume. Yeah, what's calculated risk?
I-calculated risk ukuthi mawuzothatha anything ne i-risk kahle ngi-explain i-risk into ozothi mawuyenza and then ugcine so uluza something okuthizeni khona okuzolahleka. Yes. So wena cala ubheke into engizoyisho nje simple ubheka elifini yakho wena ukuthi if uthatha le risk mazilahleka lento ezizolahleka ungalunga na ukuphila ngaphandle kwazo. Yabona, because omunye umuntu angathi fana nami mangiresign bangibuza i-question eyi-1 because I had just bengiceda ukuthola umntana semncane umfana uLwazi, my first born. Bangibuza bathi i-manager yami yokucala yathi kimi, did you find another job? Uthola omunye umsebenzi na? Ngathi no, because even ku-resignation letter yami ngabhala ngathi I'm not resigning because I found another job. I'm resigning because I want to pursue my dream. And I even said I'm going to write and publish a book. And I'm going to become a speaker, and I'm gonna go out there and encourage people and inspire people, which is exactly into engiyenzayo namuhla. Ngaba ngikho la if ngayi so i-risk yami yayi-calculated. Bengazi ukuthi
bakubuzanike la.
Yabona, nathi manje umntana wakho uzomnakekela kanjani?
Yes.
Yabona, the big one, yabona. So mangifika kuleyo nami ngibe ngikuthuka kancane, but then again yabona ukuze i-risk yakho ibe calculated kumele ubheke izinto okwazi ukuzenza kuqala. Because bengi-advise omunye umngani manje athi mtho ngistudishe I think ngistudishe into wrong, I don't even know ukuthi kumele ngifundeni manje. Ngathi kuye mina bheka izinto ozithandayo, bheka ukuthi u-passionate ngani, yini une-passion ngayo, iyiphi lento ongayenza manje ungabi nendaba whether bayakubhadara or abakubhadara.
Yes.
And then
Passion.
and then
That's it. Yeah.
then you start before uzothatha i-risk leyo. Develop those skills first. Uwapheke njengoba basho uba fathi ngiphekekile ngibondekile. Develop those skills first. Ube confident ukuthi yabona manje lento le ngiyakwazi ukuyenza. Bese uthola i-mentor ezokuguide, and i-mentor angithi ungatholi noma ubani i-mentor. Thola umuntu osuke waphumelela kulento ofuna ukuyenza. Umuntu oyenzile wayenza successfully ophila ngayo, because angeke ufunde next kumuntu odlala ibhola ekubeni ufuna ukuba musician. You see? So that's what I did nami. I found a mentor who was doing exactly what I wanted to do nami bengifuna ukuyenza. So it worked for me because today I'm writing books as well. Yabona, that's what you do. Find someone who is successful kulento ofuna ukuyenza, and then ube ufane nesponge. Yabona isponge masifake emanzini senzani? Sawa absorb amanzi, sawa dosa. Now udosa knowledge, udosa ulwazi from kulowo muntu loyo, but ungalidosi kuphela. Lento ukuthi bathi knowledge is power kuphela ayisebenzi. Knowledge is power only mawi apply, mawi sebenzisa knowledge. You see, nami ngithema ngifunda ngayisebenzisa. I started ukubhala incwadi yami because bangitshela ukuthi mawufuna kuba i-writer, write.
Yes.
Mawufuna kuba umculi, cula. Mawufuna ukudlala ibhola, khahlela ibhola.
Mawufuna ukugijima, gijima.
So develop ama skills lawo kuqala. Then mawuzothatha i-risk. So yazi ukuthi man lento lese ngiyayishaya mina. Ngekho ngangihlula manje la I can master this thing.
Wow, beautiful. So Mthokozile, okay, let's say in a case ne angithi abantu abaningi as we speak at the moment ne they are stuck in their careers or in their workplaces.
Stuck.
Yes.
So now, how do you advise them, not necessarily to quit, but to love what they do, or
Yes.
to develop passion in what they do? Is there a way that they can but change, or okay, you do more, I can have a chance, maybe now anyway, I'll take it, maybe I was telling them to go this again. If you like, hey, I'm 50, I'm 35, I'm 45, I'm 48, but now, so that at least I create happiness within where I am or in my workspace.
Into ezokulethela ukujabula empilweni in whatever into yenzayo ukuthi ufunde ngayo more and then ungasabi ukufunda from abanye abantu. Into thina esibulalayo especially thina abantu abamnyama masisebenza sonke instead of ukuthi sikhulisane sidevelopane sidlelana umona. Mangiza kuwe ngizocela ukuthi ungisize ungibonise umsebenzi wakho wena ubona ngathi ngizokuthathela iposition yakho and then nawe futhi uzosaba nokufuna usizo kimi because ngibona ngathi ngimncane because I've been there ngeke ngasebenza nabantu abadala and at some point ukuze ngiforce ukuthi ngazi umsebenzi because bengibhora department ebengisebenza kuyo so I saw ukuthi file mali ngena la before le customs licala kubaba Khumalo lapha emnyama baba Khumalo lese kusesu lono invoice ayo mina bebangenza filing nje kuphela ngenza ngelanga eli1 kwafika imanager le esiphethe umlungu I don't know ukuthi bengenwe yini but ngayo office lakhe ngathi Pedro ngicela ukuthi ukwazi umsebenzi wawo wonke umuntu la ku department.
Yes.
Because uma wezinto eziwani uzobhoreka vele yabona. So uPedro wenzani wasukuma same time yabona ukuthi ngathatha i-risk ngabe wangiphoxa lo mlungu lana but azange ngiphoxa wabona ukuthi lo muntu lo unentshisekelo yokufunda wasukuma nami wathi hey guys ngicela from today niyekele ukwenza umthokozo filing umuntu nomuntu akasifayilele.
Wow.
From today this week umthokozo ohlala nobaba Khumalo la akufundise everything ayaziyo. Next week uhlala laphana kumamluku uzokufundisa uku-invoice. Next week uzohlala kuloyana uzokufundisa i-worksing, i-capture. Yabona?
So you took a risk.
I took a risk.
You take a risk. And I would really feel or validity cry or lolly bitter, but you stand up and take a risk.
Stand up and take a risk because
and like you said, it's a calculated risk.
Yes.
It's positive on its own.
On its own.
Yeah. You are not fighting anyone. You're just saying, I want to learn and grow.
At the end of the day, ngicine senguba usizo ku department because lo maka ku leave, lo we invoicing wahamba waya ku maternity leave. Yimi ngahlala laphana ngayenza invoicing for those months. Baba Khumalo makagula athi uphethwe inyawo kumele ahlale endlini. Yimi ngahlala laphana Baba Khumalo. Ende bengushaya umsebenzi idesk lami behlala clean. Uze khala umlungu athi hayibo nina kaninenza kanjani waye umthokozi ngasebenza emadeskini umsebenzi uphela bathi nina baze bangikhuza bathi hayi mthokozi uqeda umsebenzi ima kancane yabona so you comfort zone ngithi le umuntu comfortable ngomsebenzi wakhe
hayi uyayishaya umthokozisi uyayishaya ya uvuthiwe umthokozisi siyambongela uvuthiwe umthokozisi uMamntongolozi lo ngithi hayi akayibambe kanjalo umfana wami. Thank you.
Sabonga.
Kodwa ukuthi yazi izinto ezikhuluma zibalekile. Abana siqala unyaka khona abantu kunama group awu2 khona umuntu osakhalela yebo njalo uMamntongtong nomgobhozi. Khona abantu abawu2 khona umuntu okhala ukuthi umsebenzi anginawo. Khona umuntu othi ngiyabuyela kaSathane basho njalo angithi kaSathane phela masonga sijabulanga.
Yes, it's true.
Ngokwantongtong kubiza ngenye igama.
Mbamba babarikela fela for salary because that's bana batlaja or omungare pension aka e gaufi basa mazulu nekusebeza or in a space teaching so some teacher one of us abafitla bo 55 56 57 then or by workshop or one or kitla fela ka or I have to because it's a requirement so that love that passion into zebulanga yon you total and also no kwadira in but I'm sure ke answer to many of us ba ile gore they're in a profession ba go mosebetsing but then abatsona ba dira ben ba stakile but a way to love what you do simple thing you said it really learn
about it
learn whether and there's no age ne
there's no
age limit ne
there's no age limit.
Whether 55 65 whatever age learn something new about what you are doing and in that way you grow ne
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Very powerful. Yabona ngizodlala i-advert kumele ngibabuze ukuthi le mali iyaphi
Yeah.
ikhishwa ngomhla kabani ngiyifaka kanjani
Yeah.
ngingangizwa kabi
Yeah.
buza ngito
Yeah.
find out ungabheki le obhekene nawo kuphela
Yeah.
ubuze ukusabalala ngolwazi njengoba siwazi omuhle nomsebenzi ubuzile umfowethu
Ngiyabonga.
nabanye bayayibuza sithola le ncwadi wena ke mhlawumbe abanye abantu bakulalela ngoba bathi ikhuluma kahle ukuthi akadingi ukuthi ufike mhlawumbe ukhona endaweni ezinjalo ama companies ma events angazi noma ingaba yini noma
presentations,
abanye ama staff mhlawumbe abantu abasobabizeni
Eh.
bazonisiza bazonimotivate nani yabo lento ukuthi siyahlangana ngama lunch break siyacomplaina sonke ukubiza abantu abafana nawe kufunda incwadi efana lezi ubuyisa imoral
Yeah.
kuphinde ube mnandi futhi
And le ncwadi ngibhalele lokho and umuntu oyifunayo ithola kimi into zami vele ngizenze zaba simple.
yeah
Ngine website umthokozisinkosi.co.za ne-email umtho@mthokozisinkosi.co.za. You can even text me ku WhatsApp ku 063 423 6846
asiphindeke le number
063 423 6846.
okay
Ngiyakhuluma nje mina nabantu ungasabi nje ukungitexta.
okay
Yeah.
and
then
media
i-social media handle yami one nje vele is @therealmthokozisinkosi.
The real.
The real Mthokozisinkosi because baningi abomthokozisinkosi
Oh,
so
yeah,
nango wangempela
real
uye
one,
yeah
yeah. The
so ngifuna
original
abangicabanga
one, the
abathi
original one, yes.
the original one uye lo and incwadi khona futhi kuma ebook online
yes
like Amazon,
Okay,
Apple,
say Amazon.
yes,
Amazon and Apple. Okay.
Apple, Kobo Books, Barnes and Noble, and many more nje. Even if you can Google Mthokozisinkosi ufaka order nje site you'll find all the links to the ebooks. Yes, and soon ngizobe ngizama ukurekhoda ne-audiobook yes.
So Mazulu, we are blessed, we are honored to Valim Thokozizi. Got the first week here as equivalent authors.
Encouragement.
Yes, started the year and open our show very well.
Yes.
Equivalent authors in Thokozizi, well done. Take a risk.
Yes.
And take a bow.
Yeah.
You've done it well.
And ngicela uku-advise abalaleli kayi-one especially umuntu age uthintile. Kune yabona umuntu owa-inventa ama-chicken noodles is a Chinese guy or a Japanese guy by the name of Momofuku Ano. And that guy I think was about 63 or 64 years old.
What?
So ngifuna nimamele mawusitshela ukuthi wena usumdala for ukuthi ufunde, usumdala for ukuthi usethe a new goal for impilo yakho. Uyadlala because abantu bayafunda out there and they are succeeding. Even umuntu oweza ne-KFC ikhehla lelana elaliziphekela nje ekitchen lalo.
Namanje usathenga isithombe
So wena uzohlulwa yini?
Okay, still old.
Beautiful, yeah.
I'm inspired.
This is great,
Very
and we
inspired.
open so well in Thokozizi. Thank you so much, Thokozizi, for
One more
being part
time,
of us.
in number
Yeah.
063 425
423
423 okay
68 423 6846. Yes. Tholakala lapho.
at the Real Mthokozisi
Sinkosi.
at the Real Mthokozisi Nkosi kuma social media platforms ikhona ku Amazon, Apple, Kobo Books nakwezinye indawo. Take a risk, how to break out of your comfort zone and thrive in the workplace. I'm man.
Wow.
Asibonga.
Beautiful, beautiful.
I'm man.
Yes.
Ukhaluma umuntu onguluzi uyabona hayi no Mthokozisi no. Keep up the good work. But
Keep it up,
ngiyaba encourage
brother.
abantu asithenge incwadi but also mbizeni azokhuluma nani. Mbizeni azokhuluma nani. Mbizeni sele nto thole kumunca emsebenzini because you deserve. Thank you so much, Ntate Malebana.
Thank you, Mazulu. Enjoy your day.
Watch